Beloved children of my heart, beloved sons and daughters of the light, it is with great joy that I welcome you this special night to our Temple of Love. As the words of the song were saying, the mother has been waiting for her children to remember, to return. Do you remember? When you were only light, born from the heart of the Father and the Mother. You were a beam of golden light, born from the great ocean of pure love. And Mother Earth was a beautiful blue-green planet